So, one of the main questions for the IELTS speaking tests have been the examiner repeated the question. Is that bad? Is the examiner looking for a particular answer on the IELTS speaking test? Will this affect my score? This is a common issue that scares speaking test candidates, and I can guarantee you that the simple answer is no. Think about it. Why would you repeat a question again to a friend? Well, maybe because they didn't answer the question or misunderstood it. So you would have to ask that question again, right? Right? Let's take, for example, I ask you, what do you do in your free time? You say, I like tea more than coffee. Well, that answer was so different from the question, wasn't it? In the IELTS speaking test, the examiner will repeat the question once for you, and that's okay. A lot of times, students in a hurry to finish, or maybe because they're nervous or for whatever reason, jump straight to the answer thinking that they understood the question. Okay, so I'm going to say this again. Listen to the question carefully and then answer. For practice on the IELTS speaking test, use my practice test that I've linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.